Hi, good morning, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So I'm sharing my screen here. Yeah. So to recap, so what we discussed till now, up to yesterday, what we discussed. To recap that one. So recap the yesterday's sessions, like what we discussed till now. So starting, we discussed about the SAP introduction, this normal introduction. So who invented, so what is the SAP product, so how many products are there in SAP, all these things. Then we started discussing the SAP installations. So SAP installation is the main here. Now, during the as part of the SAP installation, we discussed about the, so what we required to install the SAP system. SAP is the application, not the database. So once again, so just take a note. SAP is the application, not the database, not the operating system, not the network. So SAP is the application software. Okay. So here SAP system application product in business data processing. Okay. The first point, the first topic, the first lesson number 1, we are going to discuss about the, we are discussing about the SAP installations. So to install SAP, first we need what we required. First we have to, so we have to meet the softwares, we have to download it, and hardware we have to ready it. So what is the hardware we have to ready? So CPU and memory, and CPU, memory, space, and OS, so file systems, all these things we should be ready. So that's our hardware team, a vendor, they will procure the hardwares and everything, they will be ready. So then softwares, that is our work, our duty, our responsibility to download the softwares. We need to download the, what are the softwares we required? Can anyone? What are the softwares we required to install SAP applications? Can anyone?
SWPM,
Yeah, SWPM,
exports,
ex,
kernel,
exports, kernel, and
DB,
DB
DB
client,
client,
and
agent host.
yeah, SAP agent host agent. Okay, these are the softwares we required. So how to download these softwares? That is the next question. Next point. So what is, how to download these softwares? We have SAP marketplace. So that is called the service.sap.com or support.sap.com. So we have to log into the support portal and download the all the softwares, documents, whatever you need. So whatever we required in home, everything we will go to the one marketplace, and there we will purchase the everything, right? So all vegetables and things and everything the home needs, whatever we required, we will go and purchase everything, right? One marketplace. Same as here, if you need softwares, if you need documents, if you need license, if you need object, whatever you required, A to Z, you have to go to the service.sap.com. Then you need to download the required thing. But what we required here, suppose you want to log into the Gmail, what, so you need the Google account, right? From here also you need to log into the SAP, you need the SAP user ID you required. User ID. So SAP user ID that starts from the S00 and a number. So this should be provided by the your organization. This will be provided. So when you join an organization, they will allocate the one user ID for the for basis related tasks. Then so once you download softwares and everything is done, then we have to start the SAP installations. So SAP installation should starts from the SWPM tool. So we need to start the SWPM tool. How to start the SWPM tool? We have to go to the, so yesterday's class, we have to go to the SAP softwares where we downloaded already. You no need to download it again. Go to the SWPM, then just go to the here SAP INST, double click on it. So it will start the URL in the browser. This is the URL in the browser. So here you can see the So https://host name. This is our host name, and this is our port number. So this is a common port number for SWPM. Without this port number, your SWPM it won't start. This is the port number. It's a very, very, very important port number for the SWPM. Port for the SWPM. Most common one of the interview questions is the what is the common port number for SWPM? So what is the installation tool SWPM? So if you have to start the SWPM tool and you need to browse the all the softwares, whatever the softwares you downloaded for SAP, you need to browse it everything. Same we did it. So as part of the continuation to the yesterday's class installation, any questions, any doubts till now from anyone? Okay, I will take it now. Then, so okay, we are giving the inputs. So we are giving the inputs to the this SWPM screen. So we are giving the inputs. So host agent. Just one step, I'm going back here. So we can see here what parameters we have given. So yesterday, so we have given the SID we have given the technical discussion SID and DB related connection we have provided, and so kernel DVD we have given the inputs and exports we have given. So then password for all users we have given. So these things, so typical or custom we selected. So these things, so we have chosen yesterday. So now we can see, yeah, this is the kernel path we have given. So here always any SAP screen, any SAP SWPM screen, it will ask you to enter the so like as this is the kernel path. It is asking the kernel path. Why? Because this is the kernel SAP EXE. This is the EXE. All EXEs are the kernel. You have to just go to the browse C drive where you placed the software, the C drive or D drive. Go to the SAP softwares and the kernel. You have to browse it. Then it will parse and it will take the. It is available. It will come to the available status. So once this all files are available kernel, so then it will go to the next screen. So in the next screen, it will ask the, so maybe exports or kernel, whatever it may be. So sorry, exports. So all these details it will ask us. See here, it is fetching the DB information. It is fetched. So what exactly it is doing here? So we don't know anything, but here just we are checking the everything. This is a prerequisites. Just so it is checking the swap size whether we have or not. So it's almost swap already created. So just if you just choose no, the skip, the prerequisite check is skipped. So do you want, so just click on the no prerequisite swap we have already available. The swap size we have already allocated for this Windows. So if you go to the advanced settings, and so here we have swap already allocated the swap size. So we have the virtual size already allocated, the swap size and page file size we have already allocated. So that, so we no need to worry about that part. So that Windows team will take care of that part. But so this is the one. So host agent, you want to host agent, just click on the next. So host agent, you want to update the host agent or you want to install the host agent. You can select the host agent, you can provide the path of the host agent. So but in this system host agent already installed. So that's why it's saying that we want to update it. There is some service. If we go to the service, so this is the host agent service. It is already running. So if it does not exist, it will install it. So here database server files, how many files you want to create it. So if it's a small company, you need to choose the 4 data files. It is a medium size system, so you can compare the, so 8 and 16. So you can choose it, whatever you want, you can choose it. Our is small, right? So then I can choose the 4 data files. What is this 4 means? 4 means 4 data files will be created at operating system level where the data will be stored. Data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4. So 4 files will be created. This is the other SAP system. So that's why 4 files will be created here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, where actual data will resides in the this file. Our tables, data, everything will be, because this is the non-HANA database. That's why Here data files will be created. The data will be stored in this files, in these folders. The data, entire data will be stored, which is coming from where? SAP. SAP will send the data to this four data files. It will store it. So is it 4 is enough for small company? Yes. So medium, large, that is fine. Small company, right? Ours, like our small training system, that's fine. 4 is enough. So if you not sure what exactly it is doing something or it is not doing something. So then you can go to the log files. Then if you go to the log files and here we can observe it. If we go to the log files and here we can see what exactly happening. So what log files we need to refer? There are the two important log files here. So we have the many log files, but to remember there are the two important log files you need to remember here always. Always the interviewer or so in the real time, whenever the issue comes, we need to remember the two log files. One is the SAP inst.log file. The second one is the SAP inst_dev.log file. These are the two important log files are very important. Which we can refer it what exactly doing in the systems. So these are the very important. So here the next screen, deep pooling and pooling options. So that's just you can just choose the default option, just click on the next button. So most of the things we have to give the inputs and just click on the next button. Give the inputs, give the next button. Give the inputs, click on the next button. So here database imports, the whatever the softwares we have, right? Here we have downloaded the softwares and everything, right? So the exports and everything. So to import this export, how many jobs should start parallelly? 3, 2, 4, 1. 3 means whenever how many CPUs we have to choose that many jobs here, parallel jobs. So what these jobs will do? The jobs will start importing the data. The jobs will start importing the your exporting data to so SAP database level. So that's will do it here. Just I am using the default option. Default is the 3. Minimum 3 will be created. So 3 jobs. So I'm using the minimum 3 options. This is a refresh button. So this is the refresh button. So here go to the SAP INST, what exactly it is doing. You can see the live log. So one more log is written here. So I think we got the input. So we got the instance number. We got the instance number. How many instance numbers? So pass instance number, pass host. So above ASCS and here. So they are the SAP when you are creating when you are building the instance system, there the two instances will be created SAP side. One is the primary application server. It's a very important. And the second one is the central services, above central services. So if I talk about the one SAP, when you are creating the SAP system, SAP application, they are it's a combination of the primary application server plus ASCS. So like suppose A plus B whole square formula. So A plus B whole square. So A square plus B square. Some there is a formula, right? Same as like SAP system means it's only SAP system, but there is a two instances will be created. One is the PaaS, primary application server. Second one is the central services, above system central services. This will be created above central services. These two will be created. We have to choose the instance number. We have to choose the instance number for so this host, this FM and this one. Instance number means what is the okay. Okay. So what is sorry. So what is the instance number and so instance number here. So instance number means kind of Aadhaar number for us. So there is identification purpose. We have to choose the instance number. So SID we discussed. Instance number means it starts from 00 to 99. Any number you can choose it. Any number to identify the system. Any number we have to choose it. It's a mandatory. By default, it will come 00 and 001. Or after that, once this is reserved for the 02, 03, 04, like that, it will come the next series. So if we are okay with this instance number, we are good. If not okay, then we need to choose some different one. We have to choose it. Different one we have to choose it. So I am assuming like 00 is enough. So I'm just okay to so 00 and just click the next button. So here you can see what exactly happening again here. Yeah. So successfully created. See here, this log is updating. Frequently the log is getting updated. So here next screen it is asking the SLD destination. Here already chosen the no SLD. Then just click on the next button. So we have to go with the default options. Whatever the SAP screens will come, we have to go with the default options. Always SAP log is very important. It's creating. See here, the logs are getting created. 7422. So 714. Yeah, you can see the logs are getting created. Yeah, individual key. Click on the next button. Only software's browsing field. So we have to browse all our softwares, provide the inputs. Just click on next button. That's it. So installations. So this is a very big installation. SAP installation is a very big installations. So none of the softwares will don't take that much of installation. So but SAP will take this much of installation. For providing the inputs only, it will take the maximum 1 hour. Then after that, it will take 4 or 5 hours. 5 hours. So max to install the entire SAP systems and everything. So inputs, see, yesterday onwards, we are giving the inputs to here. So we have done. So like you see, in the define parameter section, all parameters we have defined it. But still we have chance to review the parameter what we have given. So first we selected the typical, right? Then after that we have given the SID PEB. Then after that passwords we have given. After that database. After that kernel files we have given. Post agent we unchecked. If you want to select, you can select it as well. So if you want to so data files we have chosen, backup, so sorry, parallel jobs, then instance number we have chosen. All these things yesterday, the exports we have chosen, all these things. So here it is showing. If we want to revise, so I think I want to change it back now. So the screen is passed. Now we want to go back and to change the instance number. Now I want to give the instance number is 10. Then just click on this button. Then click on this button. Just click on the revise. Then you will go to that screen and you can change the instance number. Still we have time. Up to still we have chance. Still we have button chance to review the parameter and to revert back the changes. But define parameter. Define means you have to define, you have to input the parameter. That is done. Now review parameters. Once it is done, just when you click on the next button, it will go to the execute service. Here system itself will take 4 or 5 hours to complete the installation and everything. Okay, so this is what inputs we have to give it. So shall I click on the next button, or will you guys give the inputs here? Shall I click on the next button? Or will you guys do the practice of how to give the inputs and everything? Or you want to show once again? Is it okay to continue? What's your opinion?
Ravi, show us one time.
Yeah, one time, right? Okay. So I'm canceling again. Just canceling. I don't want. Okay, just cancel everything. Okay. So the screen, everything is gone now. So I canceled. So everything is gone now. Okay. So now everything is gone. I canceled that one. So anyone wants to share your screen? We will guide you. I will guide you how to do that one. Anyone in front of the laptop? Anyone wants to share your screen? Then we can guide you how to start the SWPM tool, how to log in and everything. In this way, so remaining person are aware of.
I can share, sir.
We will share, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have the network speed, right?
Have, sir.
Okay, then you can share your screen.
Okay.
I will make it as the post. Yes. So you log into the system. Just explain. So how you are logging to the system and everything.
Firstly, I'm going to the Windows run. Then in run, open MSTSC. Then OK. Then I'm entering here the IP and connect the username as Lavanya. It has connected. Now I'm connecting it. Then I'm giving the password as my password. So I yesterday given me password that I'm logging with that password. I'm clicking the OK. Then I'm taking here as this option. Then I open the SAP Windows tab.
Yeah, just a small correction, Lavanya. Whenever you are speaking to someone or whenever you are speaking, don't call SAP. Okay, it's SAP. Okay, it's SAP. Whenever you, yeah, don't call. Not only you, for everybody, even to me as well. Don't call SAP. Okay, don't speak
Okay.
SAP. It's a SAP. When you in the starting of the words, if you call the SAP, then immediately they can recognize you. Okay, don't call it as the SAP. It's a SAP. SAP. Just to, yeah. Thank you. You can proceed.
Here SAP has opened it. We have the Windows Server 2012 R2. Then we have going to the C drive.
So why
In C
what,
drive, I have taken
why you are going to C drive? What you are going to do now?
because it has SWPM. SWPM, I am taking the software in software SWPM. I have taken the SAP instant for software downloading. It means for
Yeah, no problem. Thank you. So here, why she is going to the C drive means now we are going to start the SAP installation from scratch. So for that one, all our softwares are located in the C drive. Under the C drive, we have the SAP soft. There is a folder. So go to the folder. Where is your folder? Yes, right. Then
in that I am going to the SWPM tool.
why you are
that,
why you are going to SWPM tool? Why can't I go ahead and the
because it is a primary tool and it also contains sapinstant.com for downloading the software.
Okay, good, excellent. Yeah. Why? Because for installation tool means SWPM is the tool. So we have to go to the SWPM. Just click on the SAP inst.exe file. So that is the SAP inst.exe file. When you double click it, it will open the application. Enter the password.
And here I have to give you the administrative password. Then I am clicking this. I'm getting open software.
Yeah, the software is starting now. Like SWPM is starting. It will start. It will start the URL in the browser automatically. So if you open the Chrome, just open the Chrome. It will open the just refresh the screen.
Then
Just refresh the screen. Just you can minimize this one. Why? Because it's open in the Internet Explorer, which is not very effective. So just better to open the same URL in the Chrome. Chrome, you have the Chrome, right? Google Chrome.
Yes, sir.
Now open the URL in the Chrome. You have already opened, just refresh the screen. Sorry guys, so still I need to work it on this meeting invite. So this is limit only 45 minutes or 40 minutes. So, but I will try to make it like permanent. So yeah, but rejoin. If you disconnect again, rejoin it. Yeah. Here, what you are going to do now?
SQL.
What you are going to do now here?
I'm giving the inputs to the device inputs as a device parameter and
Yeah. How you will get here? Where you have to go? Here, so SWPM is the software for any kind of SAP installation, SAP product installation, either S4HANA, BW4HANA, NetWeaver, so ECC, ERP, anything. So you have to go here and we have to choose the respective software, respective product, and you have to install it. Here we are installing the SAP ECC, right? ERP system. Then there is a SAP Business Suite 7i 2016. Under this folder, so you can see under this folder we have the SAP ECC is available. Just expand that one. Yeah, you can see the EHP8 ERP EHP8 and for ECC 6.0 the option. Just click on that button. Just expand. Okay, here it will just expand that one. There is a, you can see, right, there is a arrow mark. If you just click, it will be expanded. So here, what type of database you are going to choose it, DB2 or MaxDB, SQL, Oracle, in where you are going to install, in which database you are going to install SAP. So either we can choose anything, but we have SQL server, small SQL server is available. Just you can choose that one. Yeah. So you are doing the installation, right? So just click on the installation. Not only installation, we can do the system copy and everything that will come. So we are building the SAP application server. So SAP application we are building. So that's why just select the application server. SAP is the application, right? We are building the SAP application server. Yes. So what are the options you are using? Either you are installing the standard or distributed or high availability. So standard, just choose the standard.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Then I have to click.
Yeah.
Either in defined parameter, how to check the whether we have given the inputs like DB inputs, kernel inputs, how to check by clicking the back option and next option.
Yeah.
So I click the next option to save that.
So what is the port number? Let me ask you some interview randomly questions. So what is the port number for the SWPM?
4237.
So what are the log files we need to refer if any issues arise?
SAP
IMST
instance.
logs.
SAP init.log.
Yeah.
SAP init-dev.
Yeah. As I told you, right? Don't call like a SAP.
SAP.
Yeah,
SAP.
SAP. Okay, that's very important point. Yeah. So now what is these options now? Just you can explain to our team.
This is a parameter side, like we typical. It means we have the default settings and the custom.
Okay.
We
So
have the
yeah, typical means SAP recommended default settings will come. So which means we will get the less screens, everything. But custom means we will get the manual options, manual screens, manual changes, everything we have to give manually. So sometimes in the typical option, we are just clicking on the next button we are going to, right, which means default settings, it will take it out. Custom means manually we need to choose it, which one is correct and everything. Normally every person, they will go with the SAP default settings, why? Because SAP will recommend those settings. So just select the typical, just click on the next button. There is nothing difference, just only giving the inputs only difference. So nothing wrong in that one. You can choose anything. What exactly happening in the back end? So can I go to the log files and you can see that's the, as a basis consultant, we always look the log files, whether it's correctly installing or not, what exactly it is doing. So always we need to look this log files and everything. So this is a very important. Yeah, I think you got the screen. Yeah.
General SAP parameters.
Okay, what it is asking now here, enter the SAP system, SAP SID it is asking. As we told, for every system, when you are building the one SID, we have to give the one SID, one system identification name. So suppose example, live examples, whenever for born babies, we are giving the one name, right? So 3 letters or 2 letters or whatever, maybe we are giving the names, right? Same as like for SAP also, we have to give the name. Why? Because we have to speak it out after that. We have to remember all these SIDs and everything. We have installed I am working on the one system, one ABC system, XYZ system. So this is the system all users should connect, right? One identification purpose. Same as like here, we have to put the one SID, system identification. So some any name, it should starts from the 3 alphanumeric characters, first alphabets and any numeric characters it will come, but it should not come with the first with the one. Okay. So just don't give like that. Why? Because we will finalize this SID here. So give anything. Just with all people, they will understand that anything you can give it. Yeah, that is also fine. ABC.
So numeric 1, 2, 3.
That is fine. ABC. Just you can just click on the next.
Okay.
Why? Because it's only length is 3 letters only. Okay, 3 letters only. Either AB1 or A1B, something like that.
Then domain name.
FQDN, we don't have any domain, just uncheck the domain name. Uncheck option. You have the uncheck option.
So where it is?
Yeah, you have the uncheck option, right? So SAP system domain, there is uncheck. Just there is checkbox. Yes, right. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this domain name is for the, suppose any company when you go, suppose like google.com, yahoo.com, so Facebook, those are the domains actually. So those domain names, we don't have any domain, right? Company name and domain name. That's why we just uncheck it out. So what is this password for all users? So you have to provide the password. Yeah, you have to give the password for all users. So give the password.
Sir, I have given the administrative password, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
London 2022.
Yeah, don't speak about the password here. Okay, that's fine.
Okay, sir.
Just you can maximize your screen and just maximize your screen. It will come into the left side. You have the maximize option, right? In the browser, you have the maximize, minimize, close options. The browser tab.
Sir, but
Yeah, that is the one. Yes, right. Yeah. Checking the database connection and the database parameters here. So, it is checking whether the database is already installed or not. It is checking. So then once it is check it out, then it will give the options. Share your screen, Lavanya.
yes, sir.
Yeah, just click on OK button and you can just choose the database host name. So second,
Database connection. Here I have the path.
you can choose the database.
If
Yeah, you can choose the second option here, our SID.
SAP Windows, SAP Windows, sir.
Yeah, that is our host name. So that's why you are choosing that host name.
Yes.
Yeah, just suppose your host name is suppose like ABCDXYZ, then that you have to choose it. Yeah. Now checking the database connection parameters.
Then here I have database ID.
So here it is asking you want to create the new database or you want to use the existing database. So anyhow, we have to create the new database, right? Just to choose just to create the new database, click on the next button. So existing there is a database ECP is available. You want to load all the tables in the existing one. So that is also possible. That is also we can possible. Yeah. Now it is asking what it is asking kernel path. So you can go ahead and browse the kernel. Kernel. Yeah, you choose any version, 1000 or 1100 version. So we have the two kernels are available. So just choose that folder, just click on the next button. Okay.
Sir.
Yeah.
Then I have selected the package
No,
path.
I
Then
think
next.
you have not chosen the full path, I guess. Only SAP soft you chosen. I think it won't take. See, does not contain any archive. Just click on the okay.
Okay.
See, when you choose the wrong path, it will tell you. It will tell you the like you have not chosen the correct path, something like that. So just click on that button. C drive. Expand. You have the arrow mark, right? Yeah. Just scroll down. You have the SAP soft. So kernel. Just select the any one of the folder. Double click on that folder. Any one of the folder. Double click that folder. Not this only. That is the files. Just take the difference of the files and folder. Kernel -11, right? Just double click that one. Okay. Now click on OK. Yeah. Now we got the path. Now just click on the next button. So what it is doing, it will check that file, that path now. It will check that path, whether all the kernel files are valid or not. It will check one by one, it will check it out. So same as like we have to provide the inputs. Same, we have to provide the inputs. After that, it will ask the exports. After that, it will ask the
Database.
Instance numbers, DB, loads, all these things it will ask. So we have to provide the inputs and we have to just click on the next button.
Okay, sir.
So if anyone wants to try, you can try, not a problem. So you have the access already. I created the access, just you can log in. So how now she logged in. So same way you can log into the system, start, go to the C drive SWPM, then start it and provide the inputs. You can start it. So finally, end of the day, or finally, once you practice giving the input, just click on the next button. It will go ahead overnight. It will start. It will install the SAP system. Then tomorrow, so we can just do that. So we can start the our after installation. What we have to do? What is our basis activities here? That those things we can discuss. So, but let's see. Now, you have to give the inputs. Give the inputs. You don't need to remember the like what inputs each and every screen. So that's not possible. But you should know what we are giving and everything. Just few things you should aware of. Like we are giving the kernel out, kernel path, exports path, DB connection parameters, passwords, and instance numbers, SID. So these things you can remember it, not a problem. But no need to remember all those things. Yeah, just scroll down, scroll down. When you get scroll down, you scroll down, or the 4 kernel files are here should be available. Then only when you click the next button, it will go to the next screen. Otherwise, it won't go to this next screen. Just click on the next screen. Which means kernel you have given, it's validated, everything is available. Then it will go to the next screen here. One more thing, when you are doing the installation, if the installation got cancelled in middle, so again, when you start it, it won't start from the scratch. It will get start from where it got stopped. Okay. So suppose in this screen, your system is crashed. Again, when you start the SWPM, so it will start from where it got stopped. So from that time onwards, it will stop it. It will start it. It will resume it. So we no need to worry about that one. That is a very important point. So during the interview point of time, some people they will ask you, or some our manager will ask you, okay. So in the middle of the installation, there is a power outage. Your installation got crashed. After the power comes, just click on the next button. After the power comes, so when you start the installation, is it will start from scratch, or it will start where it got stopped? So it will start from where it got stopped. So here the prerequisites question. Prerequisites we can skip it out. If you choose no, the prerequisite check is skipped. Then you can just click on the no button. Yeah, host agent. So the host agent, we have already host agent already installed on this host. Then the additional information you got already information. If not installed, you will get the please install the host agent. Please provide the package for host agent. Like that, you will get the input. So we have already host agent installed. Just you can just uncheck that button. Just click on the next. Yeah. So now it's a very important. This is the media very important. Installation exports. So very, very important. Go to the installation export.
Yes,
Yeah.
how to select path.
You have to browse, right? Yeah, you have to browse. You have to browse the path. Yeah, the software is already available. That's why as part of the pre-work, we discussed we need to download all the required softwares. We have to download it, keep it into the one folder. So otherwise, now we have to download it, export. So just expand the export, select that label, the 510, select that folder, main folder. Yeah, parent folder you have to select, click on OK. Yeah, just click on the next button. So now it will review the all those things. It will verify the data inside of the exports, whether the exports are corrupted or not. So what happens if the SWPM it won't verify the all the data? So the system will be corrupted. So if the some in case sometimes the files will be crashed, files will be deleted. So the system, if the SWPM will accept blindly, then we will get the problems. That's why SWPM always verify the data. Whatever the data we are providing, inputs we are providing, whatever the softwares we have downloaded, it will verify it. Always it will verify those files. Then only it will go to the next. Otherwise, it won't go to the next. You can see there is a next symbol, cancel symbol, back symbol, RR. So not highlighted, which means it's a disabled status until it will everything will verify the. Yeah, here you can just review that. You can check the logs. What exactly verify here. So here in the ECC exports, so export 1 is signed and exported. So it is verified that export 1, then export 2, 3, like that we have the, I think 12 exports, I guess. 12 exports, it will do the same thing. Yeah, 1 is verified. So then 11.
Ravi,
Yeah, hi.
these softwares are installed by you before giving the server access, or you want to install the softwares like ECC,
These softwares
kernel.
we downloaded actually in the previous classes. We downloaded actually from the service marketplace. We downloaded and we keep into the one folder in the C drive SAP software. We kept it there. Why? Because
Yep.
it's available for all. So if everyone start downloading all the softwares, the drive will be full, and also you need S user ID, right? So that's why I downloaded the softwares and I keep into the C drive so that you can use the same softwares. You can also log in and you can use it.
Because when I try to install the software, it is asking yes user ID.
Yeah, but now we downloaded, right? We already downloaded the softwares. Now it won't ask the any S user ID. She is doing right now.
Okay.
So now Lavanya sharing screen, she is doing right. Same way you can do that one. If you don't have access, just ping me. I will share the access. That's so just ping me. I will share the access. Then you can also log in to the our server, practice server. Then you can log in. Then you can do the practice.
Yeah, I don't have access. Yesterday only I.
Yeah, you can just ping me. You can ping me. So I will create the access for you.
Okay, thank you.
So yeah, so not a problem right away. So I will create it while this is in progress. I will create it so for you. Uh, what is your any special name? I have to create it.
Nanda.
Okay, Nanda. Fine. What
I
happened?
have got lost, sir.
Okay, your screen got lost.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. I think you can just reconnect again. You got it, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nanda, I created the user ID and the password also I shared in the group. You can see.
Yeah, I am able to.
So you can log in. So, or let me know if you need any help if you want to log in. So after you log in, you will see the screen, IL icons, everything is available. And also you have the C drive. In the C drive, you have the softwares. So you can practice it as well. Same as like for all. So whoever need access, just ping me. So I can create the access for you. Why? Because it's very important to validate it now. Why? Because installation we are doing. After the installation, we will come to our real support topics like jobs, everything. We will get the real time. That time you need to practice it well. You need to practice each and every topic. That time it's very important to have the access. If you practice it only, you will understand the concept.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, Snehit.
Sir, where you have to install all these softwares on main server system or every system which is having GUI?
No. You have one IP I provided, right? That is our practice server. You can log into that server. There you can start the installation.
Okay.
That is 49.206. That IP I provided, right? So you can log into that IP. That is a server IP. There you can log in with your user ID and you can do the practice.
In real time, the end users only having GUI, right?
Yeah, real time end users having only GUI access, but basis consultant having access to the server access. So because we have to do the installation, then only the users will log into our SAP application and they will do the practice. So GUI we have to install on the each and every user's desktop. So GUI we have to do the installation. But SAP we no need to do the everywhere. Just SAP will be in the central location. All users will connect to the SAP.
Okay. For every server, we have to install all these softwares.
So suppose every server means
Quality, development.
yeah,
server,
definitely. Yes. We have to install it. Development, quality, pre-prod, production, all the servers we have to install it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So how it will be real time? Let me take the control. I will explain it. So Lavanya, can you give the host to me? So go to the participants list. Then select my name, make it a host. You have the SAP basis. Reclaim host. Okay, I got it. Okay. So in the real time, so if I take example, Okay, so this is okay. This is here we are doing the SAP installation. In this box, we are doing the SAP installation here. SAP installation we are doing here. So this here doing the central location, you are doing the SAP installation. So here you are logged in. Here I am logged in. So here Lavanya logged in. All our people around the world. So all our people are there. So they are connecting from the different cities and everything. So each and every desktop they have SAP GUI to connect to the SAP. To connect to the SAP, you need SAP GUI. So you can remotely connect to the all our SAP, only one SAP systems you are remotely connect and you can work it out. So how we have one banking server, ICICIbank.com. All our users, we will log into the through browser or mobile device. We will connect to the through mobile device. We will connect it to browser. We will connect to the all SAP applications. We will connect it here. We will connect it here. Here we will work it on this one, right? Same as like here you log into the your laptop. In your laptop there is a GUI connection. Just you can connect to the GUI to our SAP connection. Same as like me. Same as like others as well. But our server is the central location. So it is available in the central. It's available for all the users. So it's not like that every user has their own SAP system and everything. So all users will use the one SAP system only. It's a real time in the real time also it's the same. In the real time also it's the same. Yeah. What is the status now? You can share your screen.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, Ravi, I am unable to log into the server.
Okay. Unable to log in or able to log in?
Unable to log in.
Okay. What is the issue? Like what you are getting? Like, can you share your screen? We will fix it out access issues as well. So if anyone wants to drop out, you can drop out if you have the rush already 7:15. Just so it's for just giving the inputs and helping to the access only. So some people they have to rush, right? So yeah.
Can you please make me host?
I think Lavanya, can you make Nanda to host? I think you are the host now, right?
Yes, sir. Invite, sir. In participant have to invite, sir.
Yeah, just you can make it host. Yeah, in the participant list, select the Nanda user, and in the 3 dots, just make it host. Or let me.
Nanda use.
I will do that one. Just wait. Then. Okay, make it host. Yes. You can share your screen. Okay, computer name is IP as IP. You have to provide it, not the Nanda. Computer name is different. Here 49 dot means our server IP. You have to give it here. So 49 dot. Yeah, 206 dot 199 dot
235.
235. That is our server host name. Okay, just click on the connect. Yeah, here you need to enter the username as Nanda and password which I given to you. That password. Okay, so just okay. Click on OK button. Yes, now you are logged in. Just click on the S. Yeah. Now, okay, right? So Nanda, now you correct. Okay. Now you can share your screen now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, check how many are verified. I think 7.
Total 11 has accepted, sir. Now it is a verification under successfully. It is verifying the successfully.
Yeah, 8, 9. So you have the 8, 9 is there still.
4 I have.
Yeah, the right. Yeah, this is one of the big step. It will because we have number of files are there. It will verify the everything, and it will do. It will verify. I think it's all done. I guess. Yeah, you can go to the screen now. Right, verified all. Yeah.
Ravi, I'm leaving, Ravi. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Srikanth. Thanks for your patience. Thank you.
Here I have got the data files, sir.
Yeah, you can choose either 8 or 4, whatever it may be. As I discussed, right? Either you can choose 4 or 8 or 16. But our is the small system, right? You can just select the 4.
4.
You can also choose
And
the 8, but unnecessarily it will waste our space. So that's why we can choose the 4.
on what basis it has divided into 3 types, sir? Based on files, sir.
That is the yeah, based upon the files only.
Okay.
So if anyone wants to try, so just you can ping to Lavanya. She will guide you now. She is perfect now. So for starting the SWPM, launching the SWPM, giving the inputs and everything, right, Lavanya? So just you can just
Yes, sir.
give the like you can help to our team so that they are also aware of who are interested. They will ping you to guide it. So you can guide them so that so you are also will be perfect and they are also should know. Just click on the
Okay, sir,
next
sure.
button. Now it almost we are ended to the giving the inputs. So yeah, this is about the like end of the day. Whoever wants to practice SAP installation, you have already user IDs. If you don't have, just ping me. I will create it. So I will provide the access. Then you can log in and you can do the practice. So yeah. So today you can just maximum you can start giving the inputs and everything. By night we can just give the go ahead, execute the service. So by tomorrow morning SAP will be installed. After that what we have to do and everything we'll discuss.
Okay.
Ravi, it is showing the procedure endpoint dynamic library not located.
No, Caesar not located. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you share once again? You can start like Lavanya, you can just click on the next button. We'll see.
Post disabled participant screen sharing.
Yeah. I given like I make it yours. Let me 1 minute.
But I'm getting a notification.
Yeah. Now you can see.
Now also getting the same.
Now not you. I think Nanda. Nanda is I made it Nanda host. Yeah, you can enter the password. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Ravi, it's working fine.
Yeah, okay. So it configure, it will open the session. So there you can just start the SAP. So that SWPM, once one person is completed, then only you have to next person should start it. So that installation. Why? Because we all are using the one software location, right? C drive and system. So one person completes, then only you can start the next person. I think now Lavanya is doing. Once the Lavanya giving the inputs, then other persons can start the giving the inputs. Okay.
Ravi, can you please add me to the WhatsApp group also?
Yeah. I think, yeah. Ping, can just ping me your number.
Yeah, I had sent you, Ravi.
Okay, done. I will add you. I will add you and I'll share the details and everything. Please. Okay. Yeah. I think pretty much we can stop it for today. So yeah, Lavanya can continue and help to our guys. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thanks everyone. So yeah, we'll see tomorrow. Directly we can start the tomorrow's class with SAP.